From the moment we wake, we find ourselves caught in the rhythm of doing more, achieving more, and giving more. But in this endless pursuit, we often unintentionally drain ourselves, both physically and mentally. What if the journey of creating value could be gentler, more balanced, and truly sustainable? What if we could achieve this simply by understanding the unique rhythms of our own brain? At Brain-Life, we envision a future where neurotechnology helps us truly listen to the voice of our own minds. By capturing real-time brainwave data, heart rate, and blood oxygen levels, we translate complex signals into intuitive visuals, giving your brain a way to speak directly to you, telling you exactly when you are at your peak, when it's time to simply let go and rest, and how to deeply recharge. Just like a fingerprint, every brain is unique. With more neural connections than there are stars in the galaxy, each mind holds endless potential for growth. That's why we've designed personalized cognitive care and training programs for everyone, no matter their profession or stage of life. By truly seeing the rhythms of the brain, we can gently adjust our daily habits, find our balance, heal, and ultimately unlock our own hidden potential. At the heart of Brain-Life is a team deeply committed to transforming how we perceive human potential. We are bound by our shared values and an unwavering dedication to making neurotechnology accessible and life-changing. Now, with Brain-Life, individuals, businesses, and organizations can learn faster and work more effectively, all while staying grounded, autonomous, and emotionally balanced. In a world that is constantly shifting and changing, there are no limits for a mind that knows how to self-regulate, adapt, and endlessly expand. Brain-Life, human potential, elevated.